Today I am going to talk about Python classes. Python classes can be constructed like this. Class, my class. Then we can declare variables inside that class. Then we can create class objects. We can create class objects like this. C1 is equal to my class. Here C1 is an object of my class. Here we can initial values using init method. Here def init, then we can init things here like name. Here we can enter name from here and we can enter age from here. Then self age is equal to age. Here name will refer to this, here this age refer to this. Here we can add name and age. Then age is 34 likewise. Then we can print C1's name. If we run this, here name will print. Here we can define our custom functions inside this class. Likewise, then we can print something just like hello, my name is self.name. Then we can call this my function. We can call this c1.myfunction. Then if we run this here, that will execute this function. That's all regarding Python classes. Please subscribe my channel. This kind of videos will be there in future too.